Namaste from TechRaman. This is Lashmrajan and I have here the Galaxy M20. Galaxy M20 has the fingerprint sensor at the rear, and in this video I am going to talk about the fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and what are the features associated with it, and how to enable the app lock, which by default is not available on this phone. So let's get going. So I have already enrolled my fingers. So let me show you how good is the fingerprint implementation here. So as you see, it's fairly accurate and works good. Not the very fastest I have seen, but it works neat and not slow either. It works good on this phone. So yeah, so that's about the fingerprint sensor. Let me show you the face unlock. I have already enrolled my face again. So I have already enrolled my face. So again, the fingerprint face unlock also works, but there are a few instances when it fails to recognize, but the fingerprint sensor works like a charm. By default, there is no app lock on this phone, but you can enable it. So you find here the Galaxy App Store. So go to this Galaxy App Store and find this option, find this app called S-Secure. So download this S-Secure app and install on your phone. So once you are inside the app, there is an option to lock and mask apps and also secure the Wi-Fi. And here you have the app lock type, a pattern, fingerprint, as well as the face unlock. All these things are supported. You can add the apps which you want to be secured. So I have already done with my gallery. So next time the apps gets protected and you can unlock with your fingerprint sensor. You can also use your face to unlock the apps. So that's how the app lock works on this Samsung Galaxy M20. So you can also quickly access the notification panel by just swiping up and down the sensor area. So see, it's easy. So these are the extra bit of feature that has come with the fingerprint sensor area. So that's about the fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and how to do the app unlock on this phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmrajan signing off for TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.